Hey guys, a company called Zoekim sent me a product to check out, and what we're going to take a look at today is called the Molle Carabiner. So this is a carabiner clip that hooks onto molle webbing. So let's take a closer look at this. We have a nice heavy duty nylon webbing strap here, and that is 3 layers. If you can see the 3 layers that they have there. The spring-loaded carabiner clip is coated with a finish that prevents oxidation and rust, and we have a T-mount that is made from metal. So you can use this clip on anything that has molle webbing. You can put it on a duty belt, a tack vest, a range bag, a backpack. Like I had mentioned, anything that has molle webbing. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this small first aid kit that I keep in my range bag. So you basically just take that clip, slip it underneath one of the molle strapping, and this T-mount here prevents it from coming all the way through. It holds it in place. Now you can hang anything that you need to hang from this as long as it has a way to hang it on that clip. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use keys, snap it on there, and you got a place to hang your stuff. So that's pretty much it for this product. If you guys are interested in taking a look at these, you'll find links down below. This also comes in other colors. This is what they call Ranger Green. It also comes in black and multicam. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.